Welcome to Math with Mr. J. In this video, I'm going to cover how to multiply two fractions. We'll go through 4 examples together, and then I'll give you some practice problems that you can try on your own. Let's jump into number 1, where we have 1/2 times 3/4. Now, when we multiply fractions, all we need to do is multiply straight across. So multiply the numerators, the top numbers, and then multiply the denominators, the bottom numbers. That gives us our answer, and we can simplify that answer if needed. So for number 1, let's start by multiplying the numerators. 1 times 3 gives us 3. Now for the denominators, 2 times 4 gives us 8. That gives us our answer, 3/8. Now, the only common factor between 3 and 8 is 1, so this is in simplest form. We are done here. Our final answer, 3/8. Let's move on to number 2, where we have 7/8 times 2/3. Let's multiply straight across, starting with the numerators. 7 times 2 gives us 14. And now for the denominators. 8 times 3 gives us 24. So we end up with 14/24. Now 14/24 can be simplified. We have a greatest common factor of 2 that we can divide 14 and 24 by. 14 divided by 2 gives us 7. And 24 divided by 2 gives us 12. The only common factor between 7 and 12 is 1. So this is in simplest form now. Our final simplified answer, 7/12. Moving on to number 3, we have 5/12 times 2/5. Let's multiply the numerators. 5 times 2 gives us 10. Now for the denominators, 12 times 5 gives us 60. So we end up with 10/60. And that's our answer. But 10/60 can be simplified. We have common factors of 10 and 60 other than 1 that we can divide by here. Now the greatest common factor is 10. So let's divide 10 by 10 and 60 by 10. 10 divided by 10 gives us 1, and 60 divided by 10 gives us 6. So we end up with 1/6. The only common factor between 1 and 6 is 1, so this is now in simplest form. So again, our answer here, 1/6. Lastly, let's move on to number 4, where we have 4/5 times 4/5. So multiplying the numerators, we have 4 times 4. That gives us 16. And now for the denominators, 5 times 5 gives us 25. So we end up with 16/25. The only common factor between 16 and 25 is 1. So this is in simplest form. We are done. Our final answer, 16/25. So there you have it. There's how to multiply two fractions. Now that we've gone through some examples together, it's time for you to try some practice problems on your own. So have paper and a pencil ready. Here are your practice problems. I'll give you 3 minutes and then we will go over the answers. Feel free to pause if you need more time or jump ahead to the answers whenever you are ready. Go ahead and start. Okay, so that was 3 minutes. Let's go over the answers. So here are our answers. For number 1, 1/6 times 1/6 equals 1/36. And that's already in simplest form. For number 2, 3/4 times 4/7 equals 12/28, which can be simplified. Our final simplified answer, 3/7. Moving on to number 3, we have 2/3 times 5/8. That equals 10/24. But we were able to simplify that, and our final simplified answer, 5/12. And then lastly, for number 4, 4/5 times 2/3 equals 8/15, which is in simplest form. So there you have it. There's how to multiply two fractions. Multiply straight across and simplify if needed. I hope that helped. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, peace.